back to my channel. Tatyana here. So doing another behind the scenes for you guys. So I'm shooting here with model Mary.
Hello.
I am visiting South Carolina, and I found her on Instagram. Her Instagram will be in the link below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So with this one, I'm using my 85 1.2 lens, and we're just doing some portraits. And I have at 1.2 aperture, 1000 shutter, and 100 ISO. And the location is just kind of some of those greens kind of going up the wall with some fence, so it kind of gives a nice look. Okay, let's move back. So for this one, I had Mary change. We're gonna do more of a casual outfit, and so we're gonna use some old school buildings. And I'm mostly gonna use my 35mm 1.2 or 1.4 Sigma lens for these shots. All right, let's get started. And again, I am angling my lens up to get a wider shot. And I always like to show off these shoes, so they're like one of the main focus in the camera. Because if you shoot from above, then the model sometimes looks short.